Speaks, I might ask you to take your headphones off for this one, pal, because I want you to have a good Tuesday. Ethan, you worked at a Dairy Queen.
Yes, sir.
What the hell did they ask for?
Well, they ordered like a Oreo or M&M Blizzard, right? So I made it for them, and went to hand it to him upside down, and he slides me a 20. He's like, "Hey, I got a weird request. Can you spit in that for me?" And I was taken aback. I had to get my manager and everything.
And you have to show them that, right? You have to do the upside down bit to show them how thick it is?
Oh, yeah. It was very thick.
It's pretty classic.
Damn it, I forgot to take my headphones off.
Oh, no, he was listening.